This layered tail knot is called the Vidalia knot, number 13 in the top 50 knots. Drape our sunflower necktie over your neck with the blade or wide end on the right. This knot is tied with the tail or skinny end, so it needs to be much longer than the blade. That's why we call it a tail knot. So the tip of the blade should be at about the belt line. Dimple the blade and cross the tail over the blade to create the neck loop. Take the tail up through the neck loop and to the left to begin the knot. Take the tail behind the knot and then down through the neck loop to create the first layer loop. Leave the loop a little loose and take the tail through the right side of the layer loop. Take the tail through the left side of the layer loop. Then take the tail up through the neck loop and down to the left. Now create another layer by taking the tail behind the knot and then down through the neck loop. Finish the knot by taking the tail down through the second layer loop. Tighten and shape. Cinch the knot by holding the blade and pushing the knot up to your neck. Voila, that is the Vidalia knot. If you find the center of the knot a little flat, you can insert a folded rectangle of toilet paper to give it some body. This knot is named after the Vidalia onion, which may explain why it makes you cry a little bit when you tie it. The onion is unusually sweet, originated in Georgia, and is now their state vegetable. If your tie ended too short, start with the blade a little longer in the beginning, or vice versa. If your tail didn't end as long as mine, check out our tail ties, which are designed specifically for tail knots. What's your favorite place to wear this knot? Let me know in the comments. Speaking of Georgia, our menswear tour of Atlanta, Georgia was very enlightening. You can check that out here. Did you know you can elevate your suit by folding a pocket square with this video here? If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.